x plus x plus x, 1x plus 1x plus 1x is equal to 3x. So x into x into x, that means x power 1, 1, 1, powers added. So x power 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is equal to x cube. 3x plus 5x, that means x is common, 3 plus 5, that is equal to 8x. 7y minus 2y, that means 7 minus 2, that is 5y. 3 4s are 12a into a square, so that is 12a square. So 8 into 5, 40 and a, 40a. 60 divided by 3t, that is tt cancel, that is equal to 2. 60t divided by 4, that is equal to 16t divided, that is equal to 4t. 7m square minus 4m square is equal to 3m square.